everyone, it's BlazeTube, and today I'll be showing you the Bachmann Cargo King playset. So it comes with a no number GP40 Union Pacific, an evergreen, a flatbed with two evergreen, I don't know what they're called, but yeah. Then there's a Santa Fe boxcar, Super Shock control, NW, short for Norfolk and Western, and a Union Pacific caboose. Now, I got this set from one of my brother's friends because he collected trains, and all of it's in good shape. Well, the crossing did not come with this, and that track did not come with this. But I don't know where the other tracks are because I have a bunch of curves. And here's the Union Pacific caboose. One thing about the Union Pacific caboose, it's in bad condition because the coupling, every time when it's on like a train, it derails. Here's the controller it came with, one of my favorites because it has an on and off feature. Oh, this keeps on plugging. Here, let me plug it in. And I'll be showing you it running. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1. And that was my review on the Bachmann Cargo King, Rail King. I don't know what it was called. I forgot. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment, do all that. And bye.